point of cracking it was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are right here. Good boys are right here.
Mr. Lover, lover, now Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rose.
Another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage, I just wanna feel okay. Okay, motherfucker, now you got my attention. I need to change a couple.
Please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
I took my drugs and took my love, and when I got out the spot, I left the party with the party marking X on the.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
We have to find him.
Wait, what? No, but still
It doesn't matter what he said.
High heel, 6 inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with.